Yes, my dear student, how are you all? I hope everyone is absolutely fine. I am also doing great. Today in this video, we are going to announce, I will say most awaited announcement. Many of the students are waiting for this particular announcement that we are going to commence a power prep revision batch for CA final financial reporting paper, which will be applicable for May 2025 examination. Not only for May 2025, this particular revision batch will be also applicable for November 2025 examination. Means any student who is writing in May 2025 or November 2025 examination, this revision batch, this power prep revision batch will really help them. Now, coming to details about this batch so that you can plan your revision, your preparation with me and according to your own comfort. Let me give you the entire details about this batch. But before I give the details of this particular batch, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Do like this video and share this video with all your friends. Now, let me give you the entire details about this batch. Already I have said this is a power prep revision batch. Power prep means what? Of course, this batch will give you power for your revision so that you can write your examination with comfort, with ease. Means will simplify the entire concept and will provide you in this batch from examination point of view. Correct? So this batch will really power your revision, will give a power to your revision, which will help your examination point of view. Got this point? Coming to mode of batch. This batch will be available in two modes. First, face-to-face in Chennai means any student who can come to Chennai can register for face-to-face batch. But face-to-face batch will be available in a nominal fee. Secondly, this batch will be also available free in YouTube. Means will also provide you YouTube live streaming. Got this point? So this batch will be available in two mode: face-to-face batch in Chennai, second live YouTube streaming, which will be available free. Got this point? Second, the medium. The medium will be completely in English. Normally, every attempt I take one revision batch. Last attempt I have taken a revision batch in Hindi. So this time I am taking a revision batch in English. Means every attempt I will take, but in every alternative attempt I will take in Hindi and then in English. Got this point? So this time the revision batch will be available in English medium. Got this point? Any student who want to listen the revision batch in Hindi language, already it is available in our YouTube channel. The link of that Hindi revision lecture will be given in the description of this particular video. Got this point? Correct. Coming next point, when the batch is going to commence. The batch is going to commence from 22nd of this month, means 22nd March. The batch will be for 5 days. Correct. 8 hours per day. The timing will be from morning 8 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. Means 4 hours. It will be 2 sessions in a day. 4 hour first session, then second 4 hour, and 2 hours will be break time. Got this point? Correct. So this batch is going to commence from which date? 22nd of March. Save this date. For how many days? 5 days. How many hours per day? 8 hours per day. In one day there will be 2 sessions, 4 hours per session. Got this point? Yes, sir. Coming to the objective of this batch. The objective is to cover the entire syllabus, but of course you know that entire syllabus cannot be completed in the 5 days. So what we'll do, we'll cover the entire syllabus from examination point of view. Means we'll discuss all the important concepts, all the concepts which can come in exam in this particular batch. So all the concepts will be covered from examination point of view. With this, I will also practice top 50 questions. Already you know that I have provided you expected question. Expected question I have already provided. But that expected question consists of, I think, more than 200 questions. Out of that 200 questions, I will take top 50 questions and I will practice that top 50 question in this particular batch. Means can I say, with that top 50 question, from my point of view, there is a high probability that that question may come, will practice in the revision batch. So you will get a confidence about that particular questions. And believe me, with that question, with practice, with concept, everything will be clear. Everything will be crystal clear, I will say. Got this point? Yes, sir. Also in this particular batch, we'll identify the area where a student normally do mistake. So with concept, with practice, we'll also identify the area where a student normally do mistake. If you can identify the area where we as a student normally do mistake, can I say we can avoid that mistake in examination, and our score will increase from 40 to 60, from 60 to 70, from 70 to 80. Got this point? Yes, sir. What is the target? The target is to score 70 plus in FR examination. The target is very simple, to score 70 plus, not 60 plus, not 50 plus. Our target will be to achieve 70 plus. So if you want to achieve 70 plus in FR, do listen this video. Believe me, this is going to help you from your examination point of view. Of course, already I have said we'll try to cover the entire syllabus from examination point of view. Now, what is the requirement? Requirement is concept book. Now, just try to understand. I know there are many students who have taken classes from some other faculty, so they might not have my Ind AS Saras book. But can I say concept remain concept in every book? Same concept will be given in some different presentation, in a different presentation, but concept remains same in every book. So you can use the concept book of any faculty, but if you have already my Ind AS Saras book, you can use that book. Got this point? Now, of course, I'll give you the top 50 expected question booklet. Already I have provided an expected question PDF that you can download from the Telegram channel, that is already provided. Now, from that entire expected question, I'll give you the 50 questions, selective 50 questions, which is highly probable, and I will say which should be covered from examination point of view, that I will just take out from that expected question, and I'll give you the booklet for YouTube live streaming student. I'll give the PDF of that, and the student who are joining as a face-to-face batch, to them will provide the hard book, means will provide the printout of that top 50 question, which will help them in the face-to-face batch classes. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now, coming to schedule, the entire schedule is already planned. You can see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. There's one more last day, reserve day is there, because I know that in 5 days the entire syllabus will not be completed. So what I will do, in the 5 days, I'll cover all the important chapters, all the difficult chapters from your point of view. As such, day 1 will take it light. Day 1, I have just taken only those Ind AS which are very simple, which can be easily understood. Correct? Now, the day 1 will be light revision. What are the day 1 chapters? Ind AS 16, Ind AS 38, Ind AS 105, Ind AS 41, Ind AS 40, Ind AS 2, Ind AS 23, Ind AS 20. From my point of view, from these 10 to 15 marks question will become. 10 to 15 marks question will be from this day 1 only. Day 2 will increase thoda sa level. It will be Ind AS 12, Ind AS 116, Ind AS 115. From this day 2, from my point of view, on an average 15 marks, 15 marks question will be asked. Correct? Day 3, financial instrument and business combination, from my point of view, on an average 20 marks question will come from day 3. Correct? Day 4, CFS, only consolidation chapter. With that, I will also take Ind AS 102, CF based payment, if the time permit. Of course, the time will permit. So day 4, from my point of view, 20 to 25 marks question may come from day 4. Day 5, once again, small Ind AS, whatever left, but important Ind AS. Ind AS 21, Ind AS 19, Ind AS 108, Ind AS 33, Ind AS 36, Ind AS 105. Quite possible 5 to 10 marks question may come from this category. 10 marks we can say. Now, balance chapters. I will try to take this balance chapter if the time permit in day 1 to day 5. Correct now? But I know if I am taking some revision batch, because you know I'm never in hurry in a revision batch also. I hope you all know about my revision batch. So day 6 is the reserve day. If the time permit, so I'll extend the revision batch from day 5 to day 6. But I have some more commitment. So for the balance part, what I will do, I will just record that classes and I will give you the revision. If I am not able to take in the day 6, so don't worry about it. Ind AS 34, Ind AS 7, Ind AS 101, Ind AS 8, Ind AS 1, Ind AS 37, and Ind AS 113, etc. Whatever is not covered in this day 1 to day 5, I will record it separately and I will provide you in my YouTube channel. Understood? So with this, entire coverage will be done. Entire coverage will be done. Got this point? So you are with me for 5 days, 8 6 of 48 hours. 48 hours will try to cover 90% of syllabus. The balance 10%, I'll provide you the recorded video. Don't worry about that. Got this point? Now, venue for face-to-face. Venue for face-to-face means if you are registering for face-to-face, I will always suggest that if you are in Chennai, don't go for YouTube live. Come and believe me, attend face-to-face classes. That will give a more confidence because I'll be with you. You can discuss anything with me at during that 5 days. So if you are in Chennai and if you can come to Chennai, my suggestion is that join face-to-face batch. Join face-to-face batch. Got this point? Yes, sir. So face-to-face venue will be Nungambakkam, Chennai. Correct? The map location will be given in the description of this video. Don't worry about that. Chalega. Limited seats are there. I think the capacity is only 100 to 125. So register as soon as form. One Google form is given in the description of this video. Do fill that form. The reservation will be first come first basis. Got this point? Yes, sir. For face to face, already I have said there will be a nominal fees, 499 rupees. It is a nominal fees, and for that, in this fees, will provide you the printout of top 50 questions. Got this point? Yes, sir. Correct. Registration already I have said limited seats. You can just write down this 2 inquiry number. All other details you can get from this particular numbers. Just do write this number. Correct. Understood. Fill the Google form. Don't miss to fill the Google form. Even though you are joining YouTube, live streaming, do fill the Google form, because we'll provide you the top 50 questions in the mail whatever you have provided, in the email ID whatever you have provided. Got this point? I hope entire discussion has been done. You have understood all the details. Let us meet on 22nd March and let us make financial reporting easy, and let us cover all the concepts from the examination point of view. Till then, keep studying, keep smiling, keep studying. Okay, but now what I am saying, that book 5 days for me, 22nd to 26. Okay, book 5 days for me. Believe me, in this 5 days will cover the entire syllabus. 90% coverage will be done. That commitment I am giving. Thank you very much. We'll meet soon, either on YouTube live streaming or in face to face in Chennai. All the best. Bye bye. Love you all.